Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our new channel, Tejomayonline, and today we'll be starting on message broker. So before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and follow our channel. We'll be adding exciting tech videos every week. So let's start. Let's say we have one server, this is S1, and suppose it is a microservice, and there is another microservice, S2. Okay, suppose we are communicating it between within channel and it is able to communicate, right? So suppose this channel is down, it is not available, then the message can't be sent. So message sending get failed and everything is got stuck. So how to resolve this? So for that we can add a broker, that is message broker, that uses the queue mechanism in internally. So what it does, so from microservice end will send the message and get the reply, like it has sent to the message to the broker. So its responsibility is done. So its responsibility was to send only to the broker. Okay, and broker will send the message to the next microservice. If the microservice is not available, it will wait for the microservice, and whenever it is available, it will send the message. Okay, so suppose let me redraw this. We have microservice 1, there is the broker, and we have microservice 2, might be as microservice 3. So whenever we send the message here and it sends back the response, like the message is sent, we got the response. So this is using kind of pops up or publisher subscriber pattern, pops up pattern, where this is the publisher, it publishes the message to broker, and here the broker sends the message to the consumer. So this is consumer, it consumes the message. Okay, so in this way the broker guarantees that it will reach the send the message to this microservice consumer if it is available or not. And also it makes the microservice independent and modular. So it makes this microservices decoupled from one to each other. The responsibility is divided. And so what are the benefits in using message broker? First one is like uh, it makes the message available to the receiver. Here is the case. And second, it makes the server decouple, microservices decouple. So the responsibility is decoupled here. And third one, so it removes the message duplication cases. So it avoids chances of duplication. Also, it helps to scale the independent services okay, balancing the load. So let's see how it scales. We'll see the same example again. So this is ms1, this is the producer, it produces the message, and this is the broker we have. With this, the message will be sent. It uses queue mechanism to send the message, like queue, first in first out policy, and here microservice 2. So if we need, like this is the consumer part, which consumes the message, we can scale this microservice horizontally, like this is 1 2 3, so that how many message, lakhs of message, thousands of message can be sent accordingly to these microservices. Also, with same communication channel, different message can be sent towards different microservices from single producer by creating different topics. Suppose we are sending here user information. This is user topic, and we need to send here logging topic, the log information, right? Audit logs or something. The same communication channel, we create different topics, and we can decide upon, like, the producer to distribute or send the message to their recipients. Like here it is microservice 2 and microservice 3, and it also can be scaled, and from here also we can pass the messages to another microservice. So we see, like, to communicate among different microservices, this message broker is very useful, and it also ensures, like, the message is getting delivered to the receiver, duplication is removed, like the message will be like unique, and also it ensures fault tolerance, it decouples each microservice from one another, and the operation is also asynchronous, like it sends the message to broker, and broker, we get a reply from here, and its responsibility is over. Now the broker's responsibility is to send the message, and if it is not getting the message, it keeps the message here until whenever this server is available, or this microservice is available, it will send it, try to send it again, and if it is received, we'll get the acknowledgement here. And wherever we can have another API to check the status, like if it is doing some operation here, so what is the end result of the operation? Okay, so this is about message broker. If you have any question, please comment below, and we will be hoping to have a new topic next day. Thank you.